your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money and crypto, guys, make sure to smash the subscribe button. So let me just share today. Bitmart hacked for 200 million following Ethereum, a Binance Smart Chain exploit. The hackers made away a mix of 20 tokens that include altcoins such as BNB, SafeMoon, BSC, USD, and BPay. Cryptocurrency exchange Bitmart lost nearly 200 million in hot wallet compromise hosted over Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain blockchains. Now, the 200 million Bitmart hack was first revealed by Berkshire, a blockchain security and data analytics company that initially identified a transfer of roughly 100 million over the Ethereum blockchain. Now, further investigations from the team revealed a concurrent hack of 96 million over the crypto exchange BSC reserves. Total estimate loss, 200 million. Previously counted loss on Ethereum, and here are the list of affected assets amount on Binance Chain. Now, the hackers made away with a mix of 20 tokens, including altcoins such as BNB, SafeMoon, BSC, USD, BNB Pay or BPay. Sizable amount of meme coins such as Baby Doge, Floki, Moonshot were all also compromised in the hack. According to the Berkshire, the hack was straightforward case of transfer out, swap, and wash. So you can see a kind of transfer of the stolen on Bitmart. You have Bitmart, you have 1 inch is the swap, and then they actually put the Ethereum wallet as well as the BSC wallet to Tornado. I'm not too sure what Tornado is, but I think maybe it's the analytic tools used by Berkshire. I may be wrong, guys, so we might have to just check on that. So Bitmart CEO Sheldon Sia later confirmed the hack over Twitter as a large-scale security breach on Ethereum and BSC hot wallets. At this moment, we are still concluding the possibility of methods used. The hackers were able to withdraw assets of a value approximate about 150 US. Sheldon Sia, at this moment, we are temporarily suspending withdrawals until further notice. We beg for your kind understanding and patience in this situation. Thank you very much, he tweeted. In what seems to be an ongoing threat to the crypto ecosystem, currency lending platforms such as Celsius, platform which we like and we have invested in, lost 50 million in exploited of decentralized finance DeFi protocol Badger DAO. Now, of course, I have tokens on Celsius. My tokens are still safe. Bitcoin is still there. Now, the first reports on Badger DAO security breach surfaced on Thursday, with a protocol officially announcing that it received multiple exports of unauthorized withdrawals of users' funds on Wednesday. Taking preventive measures similar to Bitmart, the Badger team continued investigation on the issue and paused all smart contracts on the protocol to avoid any further loss. Tough, man. The market is down.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, we give you the good news, but lately we have been giving you the bad news. So,
Yeah, so from past couple of, I think 1 week, I think, since that market is down, only we are getting bad news. But of course, we are positive, and probably in upcoming weeks, things will be changing, and hopefully we will see the bull again.
Yeah, as always, guys, we've been through this wave of drought season, right? A winter period since Elon Musk tweeted sometime in May. They started this whole thing for 3 months, and then when it started to peak in the bull, we regretted not doing dollar cost average when we can, right? So now is a great time to do dollar cost average. Again, it's not financial advice; it's just education. So, Manish, that's all I have in the news today. Just covering the top news in terms of hack. Maybe you can share with the team what are the best methods we can use to prevent hot wallets from being hacked. So while Manish sets up the next segment, join us live daily at 10 p.m. Singapore time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're based in the US and if you like money and crypto, guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Manish, take it away.
Yeah, so today one interesting information I just come across this notational finance, the best fixed interest rate in DeFi and TradeFi. So I think from past few days we are covering more into DeFi because DeFi is something that is untouched from a regulatory. So we are trying to explore DeFi's and see what are the options we have it on a passive incomes and on top of it, what other way we can make money from DeFi. So we are quite exploring this. We are trying to go deep inside this DeFi space and see what are the tokens we have it, what are the options we have it for the passive earnings, and the hunt will continue for some more time till we find the right one. So here the notational finance is argued by and the best fixed rate borrowing and lending platform in DeFi or a TradeFi. The that's because the notational offers users unparalleled UX assurance when it comes to simplicity and flexibility. This strengthens and X simplified in the project, new and improved V2 protocol. So let's see. I think Notational has posted this video there. What exactly they are trying to say?
Cannot hear, Manish.
Huh?
No, cannot hear anything.
Okay, hold on. I am just sharing back again with the sound. Share with audio. Share now. Come down. Okay, and here you go.
Decentralized finance is quickly transforming capital markets, but interest rate volatility is holding users back. Variable interest rates mean uncertainty, which makes it impossible for investors to plan for the future. Notional finance enables transparent, fixed rate borrowing and lending to empower crypto users, businesses, and institutions to build long term wealth.
And it was hacked.
So yeah, like all other DeFi projects, they also offer lending, borrowing, and staking. So let's see what special kind of APY and other features they have it. Why are notational fixed rate important? Today, DeFi has been dominated by platforms offering only variable interest rate or by platform offering only a fixed rate lending and not fixed rate borrowing too. So notational finance version 2 has been carefully designed to fix this inequities. The big problem at hand is that the vast majority of mainstream market resolve around fixed rate financing. Fixed interest rates are key to help people and the institutions bring certainly the risk minimize yield by their portfolio. So let's see what are the fixed rate offerings they have it and how we can use this up. So what can you do with a notational fixed rates? You can finance your futures through fixed DeFi interest rates. That's what you will do. All things that notational that you can do with a fixed rate in the mainstream. So let's see the platform. The platform look like something like this. The website is full-fledged on, and you can connect your wallet. Let's go to the launch. Let's go to the app and launch it. Okay, so once you launch it, these are the offerings they have it here: borrowing with the fixed rates, lending with again is a fixed rate. So this project's mainly focus on a fixed rate. There is no compound interest and there are no compounding here. On an average, a fixed interest rate you will get it. So you what you are investing it, you know how much return you are going to get it. So again, we have not tested this out. Want to test this, but if you want to go ahead and invest in this and try this borrowing, lending, and staking here, uh, do your own research because it was not tested yet. Okay. So connect to wallet as like other platform. You can connect to a wallet, your MetaMask, and any other wallet you have it. Yes, they have option for a hardware wallet as well. You can directly connect to the Ledger, and after that you can take a benefit of liquidity pool, yield, and staking. So um, borrowing and lending, of course, they need some kind of collateral deposits. Based on that, you can do a borrowing. Lending is one features that you can use your existing um, those fixed tokens or the stable coins. Also, you can use it here. You can see that USDC is also there, and then other tokens as well, like DAI. You can use it for a lending if you have it in your wallet. And these are the variable rates, and these are the incentives you will be getting it, and total returns will be around 13.850 fixed you will be getting on your lending. Ethereum gives around 5%. And as I mentioned, we are exploring this DeFi space in case if some regulation comes and certain exchange will be banned, and how we can further uh, still continue using our crypto journey. So this is one area which has, and apart from this, we are also looking for some kind of passive earnings, so that we can regulate our earnings using this crypto. So yeah, this all about lending, borrowing through notational. Is I didn't find it something that is something new in a DeFi space. It's all other tokens also offer the same thing. Yeah, I think Wayne just mentioned that how to safeguard. Let's move on to the next section, which I'll just give you some tips on the security side of your wallet, how to safeguard certain features. Okay, we have MetaMask, which we are frequently using it, and we have uh, Trust Wallet, which we rarely use it. MetaMask and the Binance Smart Chain. Earlier, we were using it. Binance Smart Chain wallet also we were using it for Binance Network. But now our majority of transactions is going through the MetaMask. So let me show you some of the features. Maybe I have covered this in the past also, but if you are a new and you're watching this, let me show you something. Okay, I am not going to connect to that. Okay, so this wallet something look like this, and any wallet also if you connect, it'll be almost similar kind of features. Some wallet gives you two-factor authentication. Here also you will get two-factor authentication, but only in a mobile, not here in this. Okay, and these are the places where you can configure a different networks: Ethereum, Polygon, Dark Chain, Smart Chain, and any network you want to add it. You have to click here and give all these network configuration details here. Okay, let me. Okay, so this about the network selections. Now, one thing you should be always looking at is connected sites. This is very important, guys. You can see all of these sites are connected. You see how many sites I have connected and I have used it earlier, but I have not cleaned these sites. You see here, appswap.finance, app.aave. Means I was keep on using it, and after that I did not delete this connection. These connections are always on. So this sometimes it's become dangerous, guys, because you have an existing link and your computers are on your wallet address. If somehow the hackers get it, then it'll be much more easier for them to connect it to your wallet, because you already have connected sites here. And if you they get access for your wallet, they try to see what are the transaction you have done it from this websites, and they try to repeat the transactions. And if they find certain things which they can easily transfer, they will start transferring. Like last time I used it, appswap.finance, and I was connected and I didn't clear this. So after that, my system was on and I was taking banana that time, and it was hacked and I lost all my bananas. So always safe, guys, to just click here and disconnect, click here and disconnect, click here and disconnect. All this you have to kill the sessions. Keep it as clean as it possible. So after you're done with your transaction, try to disconnect the sites, because these existing connections gives room to the hackers to come inside your wallet and create problem for you, or do certain transactions for you. Okay, this is one thing. Second tip which I want to give you is, for each holding, okay, don't try to use the same account. You can see here Manish one account is there, and in this I have these many assets. Okay, if you keep doing it on the same account, because this address is same for all these tokens, since I'm in Ethereum network, this is the account and this is the address of my account, and the same address is applicable for all these tokens which I listed down here. So for each, if you are doing a staking, you are using a lending, try to create a different account. Okay, so different account, uh sorry, you can create, you can over here you can create all these accounts. You can see I have a 3 accounts here. If I want to create a new account, I'll create a new account. I just give account 6, and this address will change automatically. When this address is changed, this address is not known to any of your hackers or scammers, so that you can safeguard your crypto here. And always try to keep your investments secret when you are doing with a DeFi, when you are dealing with the DeFi space, and when you are using these wallets. So uh, don't avoid sharing your screenshot to some unknown people where you have these many holdings. So it means you are just giving certain information to them, and they probably try to hack your wallet again. So avoid taking the screenshot and sharing, circulating to you the person which you don't know. Okay, that's very important. And keep your all investment in a different, circulate it to a different account. So if you're buying certain tokens, create an account just to hold tokens. If you're doing staking, create another account to do a staking. And if you are using some lending features also, then you create a separate account for lending as well. So this way you can minimize your risk of hacking your wallet. And most important, as I mentioned, this connections, the connection to the sites, which you have to delete it. Okay, this is very important, guys. And account portion is also very important. And the third important point is, don't share this screenshot to anyone. Since this is just a demo account, I have no problems. Hackers are also welcome. I am not keeping any $1 million here. So please feel free to come here, browse through, and go home. That's all I have, Edwin.
Thanks Manish for sharing. And also don't keep coins like Ethereum or Binance, which they can use to actually execute the smart contract. Put it out somewhere if you're not using, just as an additional safety measures. But of course, the hackers themselves can send it to you, but they might try to go and find someone else. So let's see what's happening over the market side of things. Extreme fear, guys, means great time opportunity to acquire, to buy. It's a mixed bag of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Of course, rest of the other altcoins are taking a hit and dipping as we speak. This is partly due to Evergrande. This is partly due to Omicron, C19, and this is due to the federal Feds, the not Fed, sorry, the SEC talking about tapering, right, and also policies on looking at stable coins and what have you on in terms of the crypto's currency. You can see that there's some looming fears that is growing over in the US stock market also. Still not that high as compared to C19 a year back. We have dropped currently now at 2.2 trillion. We have 15,000 cryptos, 400 over exchanges. Trending coins are Meta, Hero, Floki, Inu, and Solana. All of them are down.
But I don't know on what terms they are making it as a trending. Is it like a popularity or community based?
Yeah, they might have their own algorithm for coin index.
Mm.
Bitcoin for the last 24 hours is slightly up by 0.43, Ethereum down by 0.66, BNB down by 1.20, Solana down by 1.96, Cardano down by 1.15, XRP down by 1.79, Luna made it to top 9, down by 3.93, Polkadot down by 2.15, and all our meme coins is out of the top 10. Price prediction, of course, Bitcoin 100 to 250,000, Ethereum 10 to 15,000. Some estimates that Ethereum, like Paul Roll is talking about 20,000 by March. BNB 1000, Solana 200 to 350, Cardano 3 to 5, XRP 20 after the lawsuit, Polkadot 85, and Terra Luna $105 short term. Again, guys, this is just financial. It's not financial advice. It's just edutainment, right? Looking at the total market cap, of course, we have a nice dip. This was a 30%, 20% drop, currently being stabilized at the 2.1 trillion. Looking at Bitcoin, also, we are having a kind of a support somewhere at a 47 region for Bitcoin. Of course, we still have the major wall at the 70,000, but that will be a very high pump. If it ever needs to go, this will be looking at a 45% run, right? Ethereum also is a good time if you're actually acquiring, especially gas fees. This is a great time. Based on a 4 hours chart, you can see the EMA is very considered low. So if you're buying Ethereum, this is also another avenue. Let's look at some of the gaming coins. We have Block as dropping at 7 cents. Hero also taking a dip at 18 cents. TCP, of course, doing poorly at 9 cents. And we have some of our favorites, which is Mana.
Sand is a very good time to buy now. It's almost half. From 8, it's became 4 change, and now it's on 5, I think.
Yeah, it's 5. And Gala right now is at 0.45 cent. That's what Manish has pointed out. Is at 5, still slightly, maybe just touching the Bollinger, but on the 4 hour chart they still haven't dropped. The EMA haven't dropped below, but still, yeah, do dollar cost average every week. Don't look at price. I think this is a great time to buy a 30% discount. Engine also great time to buy, very low on the Bollinger. EMA also has actually crossed. So
Engine, how much?
Engine is currently trading at $2.54.
Oh wow, that's the good time to buy.
Yeah. A lot of these coins are even Phantom. Look at Phantom. At the height it was at $3. Today it's at $1. It dropped $2. So any coins, guys, we buy now because market cap is dipping. I think we might drop back down to 1.9 trillion. So it'll be a very slow and winding Christmas, maybe. Let's see. Anything can happen in the crypto space. That's what makes it very exciting. Do check out some of our videos. Keep your comments coming. Any coins you want us to cover, we cover that. Any how-tos, myself and Manish will cover that over the weekends. And also the tokenomics on some up and coming coins. So do stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's all I have today, guys. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel.
See you tomorrow, guys. Take care.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest.